Hello freshers, I'm Khushi Prajapati, a third year MBBS student from HBT Medical College, which is in Mumbai. And I know you guys are really excited about starting college and your upcoming journey in college. So here are a few tips and tricks which would really help you in college. So the first trick is networking. Build good relationships with people, be it your batchmates, faculty, seniors, or people from other colleges. This is definitely going to help you in the long run. Number two tip is have loads and loads of fun. MBBS is a long course and it will definitely get exhausting after a point. So find some things which you know you will love to do apart from studies. Cultivate new hobbies, take part in college events, try out different things. This will not only help you in keeping yourself rejuvenated, but also it will really contribute in developing your personality to a next level. Tip number three is never ever forget your purpose of why you are here and how hard you have worked to get there. Do everything, have lots of fun, but also remember to study. Study from day one because your consistency is the key. Covering small topics each day will definitely help you cope up with the huge syllabus. Also, this isn't school where you have to memorize each and everything, each and every line, but focus on rather building concepts because this will help you gain a much better understanding of the subject. That's it from my side. You can connect with me on YouTube at Khushi Prajapati, where I'll be making lots of videos on guidance and fun and books and everything about MBBS. So, thank you everyone for watching and all the best for your future.